1, 2, 3, come on.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Teachers are like candles that burn and give light on the students.
So without further delay, let's begin today's program. I am Saraswati.
And I am Samal Sanjay Acharya.
We hope to make this afternoon event memorable. Now it's time for a special and traditional part of the ceremony. I request our Tilak group to come in front and perform this significant ceremony. पेरेंट्स के बाद जिनका है स्थान, हाथों में जिनके फ्यूचर की कमान, जो जमाए पेरेंट्स की तरह हक, वो है हमारे रेस्पेक्टेड अध्यापक।
We are now at a very special moment in our ceremony. I would like to invite Director
सहबा सर.
What's better way to begin our ceremony than with the harmony of music that lifts our spirit and sets a tone for the event. I am delighted to invite our talented class 10th girls to come in front for a wonderful opening song by appreciating them with a warm round of applause.
जब जब भी मैं उलझा हूँ, तूने राह दिखाई सही। जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई। जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई। जीवन की परीक्षा में मुझे जीत दिलाई तू ही। मेरे कर्मों की शिक्षा का मुझे राज बताई तू ही। हाथ तेरा मुझ पे रखना, जग घूमे थार जैसा ना कोई। 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 Thank you.
student of class 10 today present here to tell some few lines on Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated in all schools and colleges across India on 6th September every year. It is a great educationist, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose dream was that teachers should be the best minds in the country. We He was a distinguished scholar and excellent teacher. He also served as the first Vice President of India. Students celebrate Teachers' Day by paying tribute to their teachers in a special day for appreciation of the teachers and may include celebrations to honor them for their special contribution in a particular field area or the community in general. Hence, speech on Teachers' Day must be accurately written to convey a direct and accurate message to the audience. Teachers' Day is celebrated in every school and colleges throughout the country. A good speech satisfies all the curiosities and answer almost every question on the subject. I want to request all the students present here to express all the love and respect you have for your teachers today and enjoy your day, the most memorable day. Once again, happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi, for this wonderful speech. Now, I would like to invite Prince Bera to say some few words about our teachers. Let's appreciate with a great round of applause.
Good morning everyone, this is Prince Bera from Standard 10 and I am present here to tell some few lines about Teachers' Day. On Teachers' Day celebrated on September 5th in honor of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna Balji. Indian school and educational institution become a venue of expression. Education become a venue respected and gratitude towards teachers who are the backbone.
ಮಗನೆ ಮಗನೆ ಮುತ್ತಾಯಬನೆ ಸೂರಿಗನು ಚಂದಿರನು ಮಗಬನೆ ಕಾಲಂ ಬಂದು ಬಚ್ಚ ರಕ್ಷಗನೆ ಸಂಹಾರಗನೆ ಕಣ್ಣೆ ನಾಯಿ ನನ್ನನೆ ಭಯಮೇ ಮಾರಿಕೋನಿ ಅಣ್ಣನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ತಿರುಗಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡು ರಾಜ ಬುತ್ತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಇವನೇ ಕೊಡುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೂ ಜನತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಂ ನಡೆದು ಬಚ್ಚ ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಮೂಲ
Their dedication, presence and unwavering commitment to our education have made profound impact of school. They have helped us develop problem-solving skills, communication abilities and a lifelong love of learning. Thank you.
Thank you, Abroad, for this excellent speech.
respected principal sir and secretary of the schools. Today, we are get together here to celebrate the mark of Teachers' Day. So everyone know that one. Today the Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, a great philosopher in the world.
Or 5th September is birthday of Mr. Sarvapalli Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was a good philosopher and a politician also. He was second president of in our India. He was born on 5th September 1888 and died ବହୁତ ପୁରୁଣା କାଳରୁ ଏଇଟା ଚାଲି ଆସୁଛି। ତ ଗୁର ଅର୍ଥ ହେଉଛି ଅନ୍ଧାର, ରୁର ଅର୍ଥ ଆଲୋକ। ଗୁରୁ କ'ଣ କରନ୍ତି ନା ସର୍ବଦା ଅଜ୍ଞାନ ରୂପକ ଅନ୍ଧକାରରୁ ଛାତ୍ରମାନଙ୍କୁ ବାହାର କରି ଜ୍ଞାନ ରୂପକ ଆଲୋକ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଗୁରୁ। ତ
Our director Mr. Navin Prasad Agarwal, my dear colleague and friends, it is an immense pleasure for all of us that we have assembled here at the celebration of Teachers' Day in a school campus. On such occasion, some of my learned colleagues and also students